wheat lasagna without lasagna sheets. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to the recipes. I am Kachna Jekmar. This is going to be a lovely session of wheat lasagna, and we are going to do this without the regular lasagna sheets. So this is going to be really a different version, and it's also otherwise, in Turkey they do it, they call it as borak. So somewhere a little from borak we are taking it, but we are going to do the wheat dish, and it's nothing other than our lasagna. Now let's prepare the dough for this lasagna sheets. So this is going to be a very normal dough which you're going to prepare with a wheat flour. This is completely whole wheat flour. So let's do that. Here I am taking 1 cup of the wheat flour to my stand mixer. This actually doesn't need much kneading also, so if it is very comfortable you can do it with your hands. To just make it easy, I am using this stand mixer. Add required amount of salt. Add little water. See to that you get a nice stiff dough like this. The dough should actually be very soft, but at the same time it should be firm so that we are able to roll out your sheets. So let's rest it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the filling which we are going to put in the sheets. So here I am adding a spoon of olive oil, and now let's put the sliced mushrooms in them so that the excess water in this mushroom just goes away and they get cooked well. Because we are using the fresh lasagna sheets, they are going to be very soft and wet, so we don't need the filling also to be soft and wet. So that's why we are removing the excess water from the filling. Add some salt. See, they have reduced in size. Can you see? The excess water has been drained. Now just remove these mushrooms and keep it aside. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. Now to the same pan, add cleaned and cut spinach. Again, the excess water in the spinach is getting drained off. We are adding little salt to this, little chili powder or pepper powder, however you wish, and squeeze juice of half lemon. So this helps the iron from the spinach to reach your body. So that's what the vitamin C does. So hence we are using this lemon juice here. Can you see? This has shrunk and we have a nice spinach here. So all our filling is ready. Let's roll out the sheets. We are going to prepare a paste, a spreading paste with yogurt or curd, and add oil. You can use any cooking oil or olive oil. Now just whip both of them together so they mix well and get into a nice paste. Prepare your tray to spread the sheets. So I am using this sheet. We need to grease them well with the oil. Now here our dough is very nice and firm. As such, we would require 7 sheets for this. So I am just dividing the dough into 7 portions. So that this totally depends on the filling what you're going to plan. So you can plan accordingly while you're doing your portions. Roll out your lasagna sheets. So here I have a nice square lasagna sheet. As we have greased the tray, I have put 1 sheet now. Now this is the curd and oil paste. Apply it on the sheet and keep your other sheet. Now the first filling is going to be the mushrooms. So I have completely put the mushrooms. Now here on top of it, we are covering it up with another sheet. So here again, put the curd paste and go further with the other filling, that is the spinach. Now spinach is done. So take the other sheet, again spread the paste, and here we are going to arrange the tomatoes. Sprinkle some salt on the tomatoes. If required, we can sprinkle some pepper powder or chili powder, depends on the spice you would require for the dish. So here my next sheet is there. And now we are going to arrange the mozzarella cheese. I'm placing some sun-dried tomatoes here and there. They will enhance the taste and they are really very nice, chunky and nice. So it depends, it's not a must, it's optional. So again my other sheet is ready. So let me just put some cheese on top of it. Sprinkle some dry basil and oregano on top so that you get a nice flavor out of it. So here put the last sheet. And on the top of the last sheet you can just pour the remaining curd and oil mixture. Spread it out completely, cover it up, and let's make the slices. What happens is, once they are cooked, it's very difficult to make these slices. So always I would prefer to make these slices and then let them get baked. Again I am sprinkling some oregano and basil on top of it. Here we let it for 50 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And look how beautifully it's baked. See, here this completely homemade lasagna is ready to be served.
So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this lovely wheat lasagna, and we have not used any sheets here. Do try this, keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and do not forget to share this link with your friends and relatives. Thank you and bye-bye.